Here's the top 5 reasons I believe Aperture Realty by LPT Holdings is about to blow up bigger than anything else. And I'm also going to share with you one of the big announcements that plays into that and why I know that Aperture is making a big move in the luxury space. And at the very end, I'll show you how you can get involved and be one of the founding members right here with Aperture Realty, powered by LPT Holdings. Let's jump right in. So before we get into anything, reminder, I'm Isaac Guzman with Real Estate CEOs, powered by LPT and LPT Holdings, which also holds Aperture Realty. That's what we're talking about today. Big news in the world of luxury real estate. LPT Realty, LPT Holdings, has just announced a major step forward in its luxury brand, Aperture. All right, so this isn't just about growth. It's actually a bold move that I believe is going to redefine the future of luxury real estate. Now, if you don't know what Aperture is, we have other videos on that, breaking that down. But earlier this week, LPT Holdings and the CEO revealed that Mercedes Keller will be leading Aperture in its next chapter. Now, let me give you a breakdown of who this is. Mercedes is a powerhouse in the luxury market with over 15 years of experience working specifically with high-profile clients and closing multi-million-dollar deals all across North America. That's her track record. Here's the other thing. Talk about leadership. Right? Because just because you sell real estate doesn't mean you're a good leader. Well, her proven track record has driven innovative strategies and actually elevated the luxury brands to the very top of the market, wherever she's at. And this appointment, to me, signals LPT's commitment to starting and setting a new standard in luxury real estate, because they're really changing the game. Okay, now let's dive into the top reason that agents are totally excited to align with Aperture under this new extraordinary leadership. All right, reason number 1, exclusive membership criteria. Aperture is raising the bar by requiring agents to qualify for membership based on their production and expertise. So here's the thing. This ensures that the brand is synonymous with excellence and elevates everyone involved. Agents who qualify will be part of an elite group that defines the luxury real estate standard. Because let's be honest, there are brands that claim they're luxury, but yet they have a bunch of people who have never even sold real estate, let alone luxury real estate, joining. Aperture is different. All right, reason number 2, and this one's a huge one, unparalleled marketing support. You know, marketing is a big thing that a lot of people brag about in the brokerage world. But the truth is that not everybody actually delivers it. A lot of them just hire, like, I don't know, a recent college grad to run a Canva account and send it to the printers for you. Sound familiar, luxury brand? Well, that's not what Aperture does. That's because LPT Holdings, that backs it up, is a marketing company first, and our CEO was actually the perfect avatar for someone who would use a luxury brand like Aperture. Marketing with Aperture is unlike anything else in the industry from what I'm seeing right now. Each listing receives a minimum of $5,000 in targeted marketing. That's including things like digital advertising, print campaigns, and innovative outreach strategies. And trust me, they're big. We're going to break that down in another video. But under Mercedes Keller's leadership, this marketing, it's really a powerhouse, and it's set to become even more effective with her guidance. So we're super excited about that. Number 3, there's revenue share and stock options. You know, with Aperture, agents aren't just building their careers. They actually can build more. They're building wealth. The unique revenue share or hybrid share model allows an agent to benefit from their influence and leadership. And here's the thing, you can actually couple that with LPT Realty's pre-IPO stock opportunities. And this means that the potential for financial wealth and growth has never been greater for a luxury agent. Because here's the thing, luxury agents tend to get a lot of followers, right? And a lot of their followers, or a big percentage of them, are other real estate agents. Well, until now, in order to monetize that influence, a luxury agent might have to sell a course, sell coaching, write a book, right? Do something like that, like maybe Sirhan does, start their own brokerage where they can monetize that influence. But if you start your own brokerage, you're usually only local. So here's the thing. They can now finally say, hey, of the 40,000 followers I have, 25,000 of them are real estate agents. Now I can actually monetize that influence by bringing them over to the brokerage, bringing them either to LPT or Aperture, and be able to get revenue or hybrid share from each bucket. And in addition to that, be awarded some pretty awesome stock as I sell real estate and as I attract more people. It's a really great opportunity that a lot of luxury agents are super pumped about because they don't have that option at their current exclusively luxury brand. All right, so number 4, and we only got 2 more, is the comprehensive agent support and training specific to Aperture because it is dedicated to helping agents thrive. So they have things like in the exclusive mastermind to the CEO-led training that happens every single week, and every agent has access to the tools and knowledge that they actually need to excel in the luxury market because they're getting hands-on training from some of the best in the industry. Mercedes Keller's proven expertise in luxury real estate is undoubtedly going to add even more value to those resources that are already being utilized. I mean, keep in mind, Michael Valdez, the CEO of Global, he was at Sotheby's for 15 years before coming over. So it's not like we were already outgunned. We are coming in strong with Aperture. All right, so reason number 5, like, always makes people stop and say, wait, say that again? And it's this. This is a huge kicker. Aperture actually offers a game-changing guarantee. If you qualify and join Aperture, this guarantee is pretty crazy. They will double your production. This is what they're saying within 12 months, or they'll let you walk away from the agreement. That's how confident LPT is in their ability to actually elevate your business, your career, and transform everything you do in the real estate market as it relates to luxury. Now, this is the moment to act. Aperture is not just a brand. It's a revolution in luxury real estate. And with Mercedes Keller, Michael Valdez, and Robert Palmer at the helm, the opportunities for growth, wealth, and innovation are frankly limitless in my opinion. So if you're ready to elevate your real estate career, then what you got to do is this. First, you got to go in the description below, click the link to book one-on-one time with me. I'll break down all the details, the commission splits. How does that work? How do I end up getting 101% of commission? What if I want early adopter status? What's up with pre-IPO stock? I will break that all down for you because here's the thing, depending on your business, where it's at, how big you are, what your plans are, some of those things may change. And so I want to make sure you get the best, most relevant information for you. And then I will connect you directly with Mercedes herself if that's what you need to do. And that's the next step. And that's the right fit for you and your business, which probably is. So if you're looking to take advantage of amazing marketing tools, a terrific leadership, hands-on training, the very best marketing that luxury agents can get provided by the company, as well as double production guarantees, go in the description below. Click that link, book some one-on-one time with me. I'll see you on the other side. Until next time, keep crushing it.